Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X2 Pro, and let me share with you how to manage Google accounts, so how to add it and how to remove it. So firstly, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the account section. And as you can see here, we've got Google, so here we've got the whole Google account section, and of course you can add a Google account right here. You can remove it from this level. It's really up to you, but I really prefer to do it using accounts and sync. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got our previously added Google account. So firstly, I will show you how to remove it and then how to add new one. So let's tap on it in order to remove, and here we've got the delete icon, the trash bin icon. So let's tap on it. Now your device is asking you if you really want to do it, and actually informing you that removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from this phone. So let's tap on delete if you're ready. If you're sure, tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter to confirm. And as you can see, we just got back to the accounts and sync. We cannot see the previously added Google account, so it means that we successfully removed it from this device. So now in order to add new one, just tap on add account. Of course, you can do it using the Google section. Here we have to tap on Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read them. Just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on close, and I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so simply tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So well, actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your REALME X2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.